commentating game here. I wish anybody else was sitting next to me so we had two people. May just sit the mic down and let them hand warmate. Fox doesn't have any of this. Discussing controller strats with his teammate. I guess Fox just wanted to be on last stock, so that way if he screws up, he gets the harshest punishment. Permadeath. Take your teammate's stocks. Yes. This is so fun listening to. See how they do? All right. I did not even notice who won. RPS. Okay. They're going to FD, I heard, not Battlefield. He said he just wants to make sure, probably Rumble? No, Smarty. I thought he... Yeah, never mind. The orgy fist bump. Alright, I didn't even notice the stages. Falco, Fox, maybe. Falco Marth. YOLO. YOLO Dare by Falco. She attempted to save a teammate. Good plan. Got Falco behind her. Aw, clipped the teammate. No DI gets forward smashed. Ooh. Okay. Whiff the forward air. I'm actually almost completely surprised. No! Fox can't recover in this game. That's a shame. Can they take the They almost managed to take both those stocks without taking much damage. But Sheik unfortunately got outplayed at the ledge. Too much. Frame perfect shorten. Good jump out shine. Up smash? No. Goes for up tilt. Jesse over there is trying to get Sheik off stage, not just spacing her out. Because he fully trusted his teammate to just destroy that Fox in the 1v1. He's not really going for kills, just sort of trying to space Sheik out. The teammate who can interrupt those combos. Expecting a back air. Oh, up air, no tilt. Good edge guards, both sides of the stage. Oh, and good recovery by the Fox. Can they maintain? They're only down by a single stock, and that doesn't mean much in doubles. Oh man. I don't know if that's a jinx. Falco's doing great covering his teammate. Ooh, that laser shine. Mano really showing his experience in the game. I recall this Fox is TSE, indeed, I had it right. I looked. Only person off camera is the left. I think that was mean, but whatever. I was looking away. Sorry. Still trying to get this stream to do what I want it to do. Ooh, goes for the back throw instead of throwing to his teammate. Interesting choice. Spacing out that Sheik. Kill his teammate? Kinda. That's fine, it's doable. Puts him one stock down. Oh, Fox had the ledge. Sheik, again, didn't go for the down or the back throw to throw it to the teammate. Oftentimes, many a times, that is the better choice, to throw to your teammate. In doubles, there are 3 throws. In singles, there's usually only 1 or 2 throws. I should say 2. Stage control combo. But in this one, it adds in the combo is replaced by throwing to your teammate, throwing off stage, or stage control, or throwing at the enemy to use a cannonball. Damn, this Falco edge guard, fantastic. Sheik dead? I think I totally missed what just killed her.
Hey, it's Jeffy on the mic, baby. Let's go.
It's exactly what you would expect from this matchup so far.
Yeah.
Sheik and Fox are doing pretty well at a lot of things, though.
Okay.
They're showing a lot of synergy as teammates.
I'll tell you who shares the most synergy, though. JesiahTEG and ManaLord. I don't know, though.
Yeah, I don't know if that's true.
I guess we'll see.
Well, we'll definitely see them win. They're up 2 stocks right now. Oh, 3.
It's his bread and butter good.
Only down by a stock, but Sheik at that percentage just asking for an up air.
The thing about Mana and Jesse is when the magic happens, it happens, baby, and it's fun to watch. Like, look at this.
I'm looking at TSE do some freaking work.
He is trying to put in work, and he's managing to do it. Like, look at that. That get-up attack, baby. Ooh.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, and yeah, that'll do it.
Jesse will totally throw his teammate to the wolves to get that kill.
Came in at the end of the set, but man, that was good.